गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू एवरीबॉडी। आज हम जा रहे हैं सुला वाइन, द हाउस ऑफ वाइन्स, मेड इन इंडिया, सी यू देयर। We have stopped at McDonald's for coffee. So after finishing coffee, we'll be heading towards Sula Wine, our final destination. See you there. Restaurant, you can order different type of wines. We have sparkling wine, we have rose dessert. Then we also have white wine. We have red wine. We chose Zinfandel Rosé with loaded nachos. There are a number of wine tasting and wine touring timings. There are different batches. So my batch timing is 4 p.m. So I will be going for my wine tasting and wine touring in next 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll show you all about wine tasting and wine touring.
Hi everybody, my name is Disha. I'll be hosting your tour and tasting today. This entire session is divided in two parts. Ek hoga tour where we'll be looking at a winery. I'll be telling you about Sula, explaining you about a little bit of winemaking process. And the next part will be tasting, where we'll be tasting 6 of Sula's best wines. I hope you guys are okay with English, or do we want a mix, English, Hindi mix? Yeah, English theek hai. All okay with it? Cool, great. So the fields that you can see on your right now, the vineyards, these are the first vineyards that Sula ever planted. Way back in 1996, our CEO and founder, who was working for Oracle in California, he came down to India because his family owned a piece of land here and his father was about to sell that land off. So they were like, okay, fine, you come, you see, and he understood that Nashik is the grape bowl of India, where maximum of countries' grapes are being grown, but nobody is doing much with wine grapes. That is how the idea of having a winery in India, in Nashik, germinated. The first vineyard that we planted were of Sauvignon Blanc, which is a wine grape variety. Now a wine grape and a table grape, जो हम खाते हैं और जिसकी वाइन बनती है, वो दोनों बिल्कुल separate है. A wine grape is usually found in very tight bunches, whereas a table grape that we eat is in loose bunches. You pluck and you pop it in your mouth. You can't really do that with a wine grape. Also, a wine grape is very heavy on the juice and the acidity part, whereas a table grape is heavy on the sugar and the pulp part. That is the basic difference. Like there are varieties in table grapes that you eat, in the same way there are varieties in wine grapes that you eat. Coming to our logo that you can see on your left, it's a beautiful shining sun. This is the weather that India and Nashik enjoys most of the time. That is why the shining sun. Also, it has a tilak and a moustache, which is distinctly Indian. We were always sure we want to be a distinctly Indian winery. You know, our wines should be recognized immediately when they are on the shelf that ye koi Indian winery se hai. So that's the whole idea behind Sula. A lot of people ask me or ask us what is the meaning of the word, the name Sula. Sula is actually the name of our CEO and founder's mother, which is Sulabha. So the first 4 characters are S-U-L-A, which is Sula. Now from here, we'll be moving to a crushing pad where I'll be telling you a little bit about how we make wines. Cool? Great. That we are standing here now is called as a crushing pad. This is where all our grapes arrive during the harvest season. The harvest season begins end of December, goes on till March. But every year due to climatic cycle, global warming, etc., the harvest season changes 15-20 days, ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है. So all the wines, all the grapes that we source are in 50 kilometer or a maximum of 75 kilometer radius because we want these grapes to be really fresh. Grapes, as you know, is a perishable product. They come here during this time. This is a pneumatic balloon press. This is where we crush the white grapes, जो आप green grapes कहते हो. So the whole concept here is there is a balloon inside. Grapes को crush मतलब मसला नहीं जाता है. There is a process that we do. There is a canvas balloon inside. You put the grapes on the top. The balloon inflates and it presses the grapes on the sides of the barrel, and that is how the juice is extracted. The thing on the machine on the left is called a destemmer. This is where we crush the red grapes जो आप black grapes कहते हो. For red grapes, it's important to get the stems out completely. The small little stems that are attached to the grape, right? And after that, the juice is extracted in the same manner. Once that is done, all the juice is put into the tank hall. So we'll be going to the tank hall now and I'll tell you how we really make wine there. This was all about the crushing process. Okay, let's go in the tank. Now what exactly wine hoti kya hai? Wine is nothing but ferment kiya hua grape juice. Right? Fresh grape juice that is fermented. This fermentation process is brought about by yeast. If you heard about yeast, it's usually used in baking. So that's the kind of yeast. So basically, obviously the culture of the yeast is different, but yeast is used to convert sugar in your juice into alcohol. When this happens, wine is made. Also, when this happens, something called as carbon dioxide is formed. For a still wine, the carbon dioxide is we just let it escape. For a sparkling wine, you know those wines that have this whole soda kind of a texture and feel, we trap this carbon dioxide. So in white wine, it takes about 15 to 20 days for this fermentation to happen. For red wine, the process is slightly different. So how does a red color come about? So when you open a black or a red grape, the pulp inside is always colorless, right? So the juice that you're going to get is not going to be of a specific color. The color comes from the skin of the grapes. So to make a red wine, we let the skin of the grapes steep with the juice. थोड़ा टाइम उसको एक साथ रखा जाता है, स्किन कॉन्टैक्ट किया जाता है. दैट इज हाउ वो वाइन का रेड कलर आता है. थर्ड टाइप ऑफ वाइन जो आप लोगों ने देखी होगी, विच इज अ पिंक वाइन और व्हाट वी कॉल अ रोजे. इट हैज अ ब्यूटिफुल पेल पिंक कलर. द कलर कम्स अबाउट बाय लिमिटेड स्किन कॉन्टैक्ट. सो इफ यू लेट स्किन को थोड़े ही टाइम तक अगर वाइन के साथ रखा जाए, उसका एक ब्यूटीफुल पिंक कलर आएगा, टेस्ट भी चेंज हो जाएगा और उसको ज़्यादा टाइम तक स्टीप किया जाएगा, मे बी 2 months 3 months डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट द वाइन मेकर वांट्स. देन यू गेट अ ब्यूटीफुल डीप रेड कलर. दीज आर 3 types of wines: white, red and rosé. The fourth type of wine we just spoke about, जो आप मूवीज में देखते हैं, आपने बॉटल पॉप ओपन की एंड यू पुट दिस ब्यूटीफुल स्पार्कली गोल्डन लिक्विड इन योर ग्लास, दैट्स अ स्पार्कलिंग वाइन. लोग उसको शैम्पेन कहते हैं, but actually champagne are sparkling wines that are made only in the Champagne region of France. Otherwise, everywhere else it's called a sparkling wine. Champagne has a patent, so we will not use champagne for every sparkling wine that we are opening. Now these tanks are insulated. अंदर एक और टैंक है, दोनों टैंक के बीच में there's a cooling liquid, तो एक टेम्परेचर मेंटेन होता है. They are not maintained or they are not attached to any kind of electrical output. ये खुद ही कूल रहते हैं. There's a certain temperature that is needed to do this. If you look up, there are these skylights that we are using. These skylights are used to power or light our winery. हमारी most जो wineries हैं, ये जो आप देख रहे हैं, is only a facet. बाकी हमारी winery बहुत बड़ी है. ये हम लोग ने टूरिस्ट के लिए सेपरेट सेक्शन करके रखा हुआ है. बाकी भी हर winery में ये skylights का उपयोग होता है. We use these skylights to light the place. Another thing is, अगर आप स्टेप आउट करेंगे, you will see कि हमारे जो सारे स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं उसके ऊपर सोलर पैनल्स हैं, which means that we are generating our own solar energy. How much? Almost 90% of our own energy we are generating ourselves. We are offsetting it grid को देकर वो वापस ले लेते हैं. अगर आप टेस्टिंग रूम में जाओगे फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे, you will see a rain water harvesting pond in the middle of the field, more than a crore liter capacity. So we are harnessing all the resources, all the renewable or non-renewable resources here and making our winery as sustainable as possible. What happens to all the things that remain behind after you crush the grapes? The seeds, the skin, the mulch. The seeds are used to make grapeseed oil. So we have a cold pressed grapeseed oil that we make. Also everything else that remains is composted, put back into our farms. So this is how we are trying to be as sustainable as possible. अभी यहाँ से हम बैरल रूम में जाएंगे. उसके पहले if anybody has any questions, I'll be happy to answer it.
For how long do you ferment these wines? How many months?
So white wine about 15-20 days. Red wine fermentation time same होता है, but क्योंकि उसको स्किन के साथ रहने देना पड़ता है, it takes about 2-3 months.
और ये बैच प्रोसेस है क्या? आप कुछ एडिटिव्स डालते हो उसमें फर्मेंटेशन के वक्त?
Fermentation के बाद yeast.
Only
yeast. उसके बाद there is see all these processes. So wine making is like a science, right? There is a lot of lab tests that happen. All stabilization of wine is done, but that is getting too deep into the wine. So what we are trying to do here is simplifying wine making for you people.
और ये फर्मेंटेशन टाइम है वो डिपेंड्स ऑन क्वालिटी ऑफ डिपेंड्स ऑन क्वालिटी ऑफ द वाइन. Fermentation time and quality of wine relation.
No, so every winery you will go into the world, there will be a fermentation tank. Without fermentation, you cannot make wine.
So what is the standard fermentation for
Yeah.
these French people use? French wine, or is it more than 1 year or something?
See, everything depends on the winemaker. He has come up with a sort of a recipe of a wine that he's done lot of blending, lot of trials. Fermentation ke bhi he has tried different timings, then he's come up with something that he likes. So you go anywhere, fermentation time is going to differ a little bit. It also depends on the grapes, the grape varieties. Now जो Chenin Blanc, Sauvignon Blanc जो हम grape variety use करते हैं, they are not indigenous to India. right? We've gotten it from other countries. How they will react in those countries and the way they will react in India barrels made in that year. This is a US, so this is American oak. This probably is a date on which we refill the barrel. This barrel has a life of 10-12 years, not more than that. After that, we have to discard the barrel. So just to make the whole process a little sustainable, we give it out to people who want it, either put it in their homes or bars, or those who want to make furniture out of it. Also, if you go around our place, you will see how many barrels we've used in so many places, so that we are not wasting this food. Okay, great. So just roam around, take some pics. I'll be back. I'm going to check where you're going to do your tasting next.
Let everyone come, then we'll start. And need your coupon for testing. Coupon.
I'm handing it over to you now. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Lower than our body temperature, and temperature plays very crucial role in wine tasting. So we don't want to
buy bottles, the bottle shop at Sula, where you can also get a discount. If you buy worth 2,000 to 4,999, you'll get 7% discount. If you buy 5,000 up to 5,000 to 9,999, 10% discount, and 15% discount on purchase above 10,000. So this is nice offer. this comes to an end of Mumbai to Sula Wine, Nasik. Do let me know आपको कैसा लगा मेरा वीडियो. सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल सुशांत भोते, बेल आइकन क्लिक कीजिए और बहुत सारे जगह का इन्फॉर्मेशन पाइए मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे. लव यू, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.